Hello, welcome to BMEK's info channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you simple tips to bring back your system and clean up computer disk space. And the first tip will involve you going to your Windows search bar and type run. And when that pops up, you have to type in a prefetch and click OK. And now we bring up the list of all temporary files and folders generated by your computer every second. These files and folders tend to clog your system and make it less effective. So how do you delete these temporary folders and files that are preventing your PC from working optimally? You have to go to your keyboards. Press Ctrl-A to select all of them, and then right-click on your mouse to delete all these files and folders. And then once that is done, please restart your system. And I bet you your system is going to perform better this time around. That is the first tip I've just shared with you. Then you can also try the second tip. If this first tip doesn't work for you, just as before, just go to your Windows search bar and type run. And when that pops up, click open and then type in temp. Temp stands for temporary file. Click OK. And that will bring up the list of all temporary files generated by the applications running in the computer. Go to your keyboards. Press Ctrl-A to select all of them, and then right-click on your mouse to delete all the files. And this will really make your system to be lighter, and then perform better this time around. Once this is done, you have to restart your system to bring these effects into life. And then the third step also will involve you going to your Windows search bar, type run as you did before. And this time around, when it opens up, just type %temp%. Click OK. And that will also bring up the list of several folders and temporary files. We call these cache. They clog your system and make it not to perform optimally. Just go to your keyboard and press Ctrl-A to select all these cache, and then right-click on your mouse to delete all of them. And once this is done, your system is going to be lighter, and it's going to perform better. And then once you've done cleaning these cache, make sure you restart your system to see how fast it's going to work. This time around, it's going to boost faster. It's going to perform better as well. So when skip pops up, just click on it. And make sure that you delete the cache. Some of them will not go. I bet your computer's still using some of this cache, so don't worry about that, just restart your system. And that will make your system to perform better. Let me also show you another simple tip that could also help you out. Just go to your Window Explorer and click on it. And select PC and then go to your C drive. Right-click on it. Go to Properties. Select Tools. And what you have to do here is to optimize your C drive. Like you can see, my shoe drive is in good state. It's working perfectly well. So I don't need to really do much. But in your own case, you are going to have a prompt if it is not working properly, and you have to click on it to optimize it. And once you are done optimizing your C drive, you have to restart your system to bring the effects into life. So just restart your system. Just follow the prompt. You can see the way I'm going about it on the screen. Just follow this simple tip and optimize your C drive and restart your system. You know immediately you've done that. And I can assure you, your system is going to bounce back to life. So this is the fourth tip I've just shared with you now. And let me also show you another important tip. If any of the ones I've shared with you fails to work, just pick another and try it out. Go to your Windows search bar and you have to type this cleanup. And when that pops up, you are going to see so many folders and files that you need to clean up and go through them. I did a cleanup not quite long, but you can see that my recycle bin still occupies a larger space more than others. You have to delete the ones you don't need. Go ahead and click Clean Up, and that will clean up your C drive. And once that is done, your system is going to work better. This can take some time, depending on how large the files and the folders are. But make sure you get all of them deleted. And then once you've done that, go ahead and restart your system. And I can assure you, it's going to be better this time around. Let me show you another important tip you can also apply if you want your PC to work faster. Go to your Windows search bar. And this time around you have to type run. And whatever pops up, you just type cmd and click on it. And then follow the prompts. Just type a config/flush DNS. This will flush your system of any cache to bring it backwards when it comes to performance. And once you've done that, just click A. Press enter on your keyboard. And that it will run a cleanup operation on your system. And you can see my own. Just follow the prompt on the screen. You can see that it has successfully cleaned the system of all cache or junks. And I bet you, this is really going to make your system to bounce back to life. Just close the window and restart your system. And you're going to see a lot of improvement. And also to check the status of your device, just go to your Windows search bar and type Device, Performance and Health, and that will bring up this interface that shows how your system is performing. For instance, you can see that my system is in good health. So go through your system to see if it has any issues. It will be indicated here. That will help you to really know the kind of action to take, whether you will be applying any of the tips mentioned here or take a physical maintenance step. Let me show you how to optimize your PC plan for best gaming experience. And that will involve you creating a new power plan for your system. Just go to your Windows search bar and type edit power plan or power settings, and it will bring this interface for you. Just go through the power options you have available to you and then make the right choice. But that's not where I'm going. Just go to the left-hand side and you will see where it says Create a Power Plan. Click on it. And then when that opens, just a little high performance. I bet you this will make your system to perform faster. The only downside here is that your system will consume more power. Yes, more power in terms of using electricity and all that, but apart from that, your system is going to work faster, especially if you use your system for gaming. For gaming is going to really be faster this time around. So that is how to go about it. Select high performance. And that will make your system to be very fast, especially for gaming. And then let me also show you this last tip. I hope this is also going to help you out. Just go to your Windows search bar and type apps or installed apps, and here you are going to have a view of all the installed applications that are currently running in your system. I bet you, most of these applications you don't need again. And you have to do a cleanup. You have to uninstall some of them, especially the ones that you no longer use. I just go to the right-hand side, and you'll see the dots. Right-click on it or click on it, and you will see uninstall. Uninstall any application that you don't need again. and that will free up space and make your system to run faster. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends.